Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Quatix 7 and today I'm going to show you how to change the time on this watch. So basically, if you want to set the time manually, you don't want your watch to sync the time automatically from the phone, GPS or internet, you just want to have it at specific time and you don't want it to change. You can do it and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it and look for the system option. And once you find it, select it. Here find the option called time, tap on it, and then scroll down and you will see this option, set time. And by default it will be on auto, and it means that the watch will automatically sync the time from your phone if it's paired with a watch, or if the watch is paired with a phone, my bad, satellite or internet. And you can change it to manual. So if you tap on set time, you can change it to manual, and now you can set the time yourself. After you select manual, the time option will appear and you can tap on it, and here you can change the hour and then minutes. Of course, if you have 12-hour time format, you can also change AM and PM. And once you're done, you can press the start button to confirm. And the time should be updated. And if you go back to watch face, you should see the change. And basically that's how you change the time on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.